Hey Carmelo, how you doing? All right, thank you so much for including your sketches. Got your sketches up here. I'm looking for, no, there's no PDF or JPEG, so we'll have to look at them like this. A lot of times it's a good idea to include a PDF of the work. That way I don't have to scroll up and down like that. I mean, it's great that you put it in your right in your body copy here like this, but supplying another file, something I can download and open and zoom in and zoom out without having to scroll up and down like this would be ideal. So keep that in mind as we move through the class to go ahead and submit a PDF of your work along with, supplying the work right here in line with your body copy. So let's go and take a look. Climate change. First thing I want to mention, I was looking at your statement here, and your target audience is a little broad. And I think this is really common for a lot of students. A lot of students think the target audience should be as broad as possible. Okay, we all live on Earth, therefore we should all be interested in global warming. Therefore, I'm going to design this poster for everyone. But that's not how it works from a designer's perspective. Sure, everyone could be possibly interested. However, the poster is designed for a specific user group. So in other words, the best way for me to describe this is you're going to communicate much differently with a group of middle schoolers than you are going to communicate with a group of adults, especially maybe a group of scientists. Do you see what I'm saying? So that said, you really want to always isolate your target audience so that you can communicate directly to that audience. And again, just always remember it's a lot different. You're going to communicate much differently than to a group of seventh graders than you are to than you're going to communicate to a group of adult scientists, perhaps, so you think of the examples. I mean, quite feasibly, you're not, this is a great way to think about it. And I use this example a lot. You walk into a bar in Ireland and you order a beer in Swahili, they're going to look at you like you're crazy, right? That's because you're not communicating to the target audience. That's a great way to think about it. Think about it as we move forward. Any questions on that, let me know. It's critical in graphic design that we nail the target audience. Okay, didn't mean to spend almost 2.5 minutes on that, but it's that important. So let's go ahead and take a look. Climate change, I think this is pretty good. A lot of times in your sketches, you want to kind of represent your type a little bit more detailed than what you have here. It's great that you labeled it. That's fantastic. Then right here, I would also label this as what is your intent of this typeface here. So I think this is pretty good. I think this is going to give you a wonderful chance to illustrate. So I think this piece in our lives is also excellent. This, I think, if you can pull this off, holy mackerel, will that be nice in your portfolio. Art Nouveau is tough. I'm not going to lie. It's tough. It's very, very intricate work. As I said, if you can pull this off, more power to you. I'd love to see you try to pull that. I shouldn't say try to. I should say I would love to see you pull this off. But it depends on your skill level and how comfortable you feel in Illustrator pulling some of these techniques that we see in Art Nouveau. So that said, I think you're ready to roll. You just go ahead and decide which direction you feel has the most potential. I would say it's between your second two. I think this one is not quite as engaging as, and I say that in terms of the potential of learning different techniques and using different techniques in your poster work. I think this is really good. I think this is really good. I think this one has a little bit less engagement and visual engagement than the other two. So, but you're free to feel free to move forward in any direction you feel has the most potential. All right, great. Carmelo, any questions at all, please let me know, and we'll go ahead and address anything that was covered in this video or any other questions. All right, great. Thank you very much.